Namaste children. Today I am going to teach you the topic kinds of sentences. Before seeing it, we will see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make sense. A sentence will always end with a full stop. For example, the sun rises in the east. It is a complete sentence. It has a proper meaning and it also ends with a full stop. Next we are going to see types of sentences. There are four major types of sentences: imperative, declarative, exclamatory and interrogative. Now we are going to see each and every sentence in a brief manner. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is a sentence in the form of statement. It always ends with a period. It is nothing but full stop. A declarative sentence will give the information about the subject in the form of statement. For example, Ram is going to school. Ram is a subject here and it is giving information about Ram. And this sentence also ends with a full stop. So this kind of sentence is called declarative sentence. And next we are going to see imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command and makes a request. And it also ends with a period. It is nothing but full stop. So I have given two types of example for this imperative sentence. First one is go to the shop. This sentence is a commanding sentence. It is ordering the person to go to the shop. And next is the request type of sentences. Please return to your seats. It is requesting the people to return back to their seats. So these two types of sentence is called as imperative sentence. And next we are going to see exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that conveys a strong emotion. It always ends with an exclamation mark, as I mentioned in the slide. Emotions, you have many type of emotions here: fear, anger, sadness, joy, disgust, surprise, etc. These can be expressed through this exclamatory sentences. For example, what a beautiful house. It is a type of emotion. You are expressing your emotion here. What a beautiful house. Before this you would have not seen such a beautiful house. So you are expressing your emotion here. And this sentence is also ends with the exclamatory mark. Whenever you see a sentence which ends with the exclamatory mark, it is a exclamatory sentences. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that always asks direct questions. It always ends with the question mark. From the definition itself, you can able to say that question type of sentence or interrogative sentence. For example, where do you live? A person is asking a question here and the sentence also ends with a question mark. Whenever you find a question mark in a sentence, it comes under an interrogative sentence. And next is your assignment. Identify the types of sentences. I have given 5 statements here. You have to identify what type of sentence it is. First one, clean your room. Second one, how do you play this game? I have a blue dress. He fell off the chair. Please feed the dog. So what you have to do, you have to identify what type of sentence is this and you have to do your assignment. I hope you would have understand the concept very well. Thank you children.